Convert a standard LP4 power supply connector to a 6-pin PCI-Express Video Card power connector. For use with PCI-Express Video Cards. Eliminates the need to purchase an expensive power supply with a 6-pin power connector required by PCI video cards. LP4 to 6-pin PCI-Express cable, Molex to 6-pin, 6-pin PCI to 2X Molex power cable, Molex to PCI 6-pin, Molex to 6-pin adapter. Convert a standard LP4 power supply connector to a 6-pin PCI-Express Video Card power connector. Convert standard 4-pin LP4 power connector to a 6-pin power connector. For use with PCI-Express Video Cards. StarTech Packaging. Look for StarTech Branded Packaging to ensure you are getting a genuine StarTech product. What's in the box? 1 to 6 inches LP4 to 6-pin PCI-Express Video Card power cable adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. This thing is just what I needed. Connections were made easily. Very happy to have tripped over this item. Thanks to this thing I am able to use a graphics card requiring a power supply, even though my PC power supply doesn't have the required connector. Yeah. Big thumbs up.